Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on a 2013 Subaru Outback. I want to show you something real quick, and that's lift points on where to lift this vehicle. So if you need any parts or any instructional videos, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Here we go. On this particular vehicle, they want you to raise and support on the pinch rail, okay? On the pinch rail, where you can't really see, but you'll have to imagine, there's a couple little cutouts of a triangle. There's one here, there's one approximately right there, okay? That's where it's telling you that it wants you to lift. That's where Subaru decided this is gonna be a nice, strong, safe spot to lift, so that's where I lifted it. You can't see the triangles because I have the lift there, sorry about that. But anyway, you'll have to imagine, just kind of go back this far, look with your eyes, see where the triangles are. That's where you're gonna lift on the front. You'll come along the pinch rail. There's gonna be two more triangles on the back here, right on the pinch rail, okay? You don't have to worry about saying, oh no, where's the, it's on the pinch rail still. We just followed the pinch rail. Two more triangles there, okay? And they're gonna be the exact same on the other side pinch rail. So we'll have two over here, okay? And then we'll go towards the front. And using our imagination, we're gonna see those two triangles pretty much right about here as well. Right on the pinch rail. It's all very simple. It's nice and laid out for you. You really can't mess it up. So there you go. That concludes this episode.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.